Jeez. You took all the big ones, dude.
So if you guys took all of them, I can't get a single one without mistaking my run.
Oh, oh, he's acceptable. For sure. Dude, he hit softer than... Ow. Dude, calm down. Just gonna put you in a bucket and eat you. Gee, ow, he stabbed me with his spines.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Getting a little nibble there. John will tell you all about the nibbles. That's a pizza pie. Holy, that's a good one.
Time to start the hunt.
Yeah, right here's that drop off.
Is it? Is that
Yeah, you can see it. Can you see in the water?
I can a little bit.
Okay, it's like you can see tan, like out to there, and then it's just black. And there's just a line that goes out that way. Yeah, I was catching smallies on the same lure.
Oh, really?
I don't use a bobber in the river, but yeah. What do you got on there?
A black hair tie jig.
What, like how small?
Very small.
Okay.
Fishing size.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you should get something for sure.
This is so much fun.
I know, I love
People
it.
find this boring, and I don't know how they exist.
It's relaxing.
This is the best thing.
Yeah, I know. It's every bite. It could be anything. That's what I love. Huh?
The boys can't get enough of it. Ooh, Adobe.
Nice. Not big enough. In that chair?
Yeah.
He's just slinging them.
What?
Yeah, dude, big ones. He casts out, reels one in, casts out, reels one in, casts out, reels one in. He knows something we don't know. Yep. You got here at the perfect time, dude. They're on. It's biting time. I hope so. What? If you catch them, I'll eat them.
Oh, you got a nice gill.
Except they taste good.
I've eaten them, but it's a slightly muddier rock or ooze. I got my brig spot on the river.
I could smell your hook. Went right past my nostrils. Oh yeah, get it.
Touching the tip with it.
No, you're fine, dude. Over by that pylon again? Gee. I don't know if I can cast that far. Fish on. Nice.
Yeah, you got one toy. You got a big one, Chad.
No, I don't. It's ultralight, dude. Yeah, but I don't have my drag set that.
Yeah, throw that bastard in the bucket. We're eating all right tonight.
Nice. Hi, buddies. Jeez, dude.
Oh, there you go. You know I'll never those too much.
Getting a little nibble there. John will tell you all about the nibbles. You just give the pole a little tap like this, John? And then they go, yummy. Oh yeah, it's my spot now, boys.
That's a good spot. Hey, Chad, that's a good spot.
Thanks.
I wonder if I'm at. I see the line. Don't worry. I'm a master cat. There you go.
Did it get off? Yeah, good spot. You got a good spot there, Aaron. I'm gonna rip the lips right off this one. Nice. Oh yeah. You get some meat off of them too.
I like both. I like both. Especially catfish.
Rock bass?
Yeah, another rock bass.
Where'd you catch him at?
Right here. It's like 4 or 5 feet out.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah.
Get one? Oh, yeah.
Rock bass? It is not a rock bass. Yeah. Oh, that's a rock bass.
Oh, maybe not as big. You want to grab him? Oh, this is a rock bass.
Just? Dude. It's not just a rock bass. This is a tasty little nugget.
Every single time it gets the whole worm.
Throw another middle on there.
I like this spot.
Ooh, nice. Man, that sounds aggressive. Oh, I thought it was moving.
Oh, that's tiny.
I'm not. No. He deserves to live. Oh, I was not looking. Mistakes. My bobber smashing the bottom of the bridge. Jeez. You took all the big ones, dude.
So you guys took all of them. I can't get a single one without mistaking my line.
Oh, he's acceptable. For sure. Dude, he hit softer than... Ow. Dude, calm down. Just gonna put you in a bucket and eat you. Gee, ow, he stabbed me with his spines.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah. This guy ate my entire thing.
Oh, you get it for your hemo?
No, I got some. Appreciate it, though. And with your friends you go. They're over there sitting in their jacuzzi. Yeah. Ooh, hors d'oeuvres. Where'd Bob go? You got Bob.
I got Bob. You over here. Bob's fucking
Do you think they're smart enough where they're like,
send out Kevin.
yeah, yeah, Jeff, go ahead and try that.
Ooh, duh.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, you're mine.
You got Kyle.
He's drinking a Monster and riding his dirt bike. Huh? Yeah, but it's way on the other side.
What do you mean?
Like you gotta walk across the parking lot.
Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna run. I got PS.
Okay. I'll let you go, pretty.
Oh, I caught purple bluegill the other day.
Did you?
Bright purple. Right here, I'll show you.
That's cool.
I was. Yeah, look at it.
Me? Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, there's a bunch like that. Okay.
Bob. God, dude. You have to inhale it?
Could you eat it any harder?
You pretty much fish the catfish just about anywhere. In a river system.
Yep. This one feels better.
All the big boys coming out.
Yeah. I think he's a keeper. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Let me see.
Pregnant, I think.
I can believe that.
Yeah, but I don't want to keep pregnant fish. Well,
Oh, dude, that was a big fish. I think it bent my rod right now.
oh yeah, fish on. Oh. Oh yeah. This one feels good. No. It's a.
Oh no, that's a very big group. That's nice. You keep going.
Yep.
It's like a sunfish.
I got it. You gotta catch fish. Yeah, dude. These waxes are shredding them, dude. This one feels pretty good, though. Yeah, I don't. I'm just doing it, you know.
Oh, that is a healthy calorie.
That's a pizza pie. Yeah, that is a good one, huh? Hey, Aaron, I caught Kyle. Kyle ate it all.
I got two more. That's two worms at once. This should work.
Jeez, Kyle. Here we go, boys.
like that fucking camp.
He's not big.
No, he didn't.
No. He's a tiny little
Small fish on
he's a tiny little nibbler. That works. You said you're gonna rage, Rob? Oh yeah.
Stole both of my worms.
Let it out.
I had 2 worms on this thing, and it took them both.
Tell us all about it. It doesn't feel very big.
His last few flights, the best.
Relax. He's an angry male. You got a free meal, buddy. Fish on. Dude, completely submerged my bobber. Oh, did you hear that? All right. Did I get the smallest fish of the day? You want to show the camera your pancake? Nice. That is a pancake. Here we go. I am.
My worm, it took it.
Not fighting much. When they look fat and pregnant, I don't like keeping them. I want more bluegills. What'd you call them? Blue giggy?
What you got?
Feels good. Looks like a little rock bass.
Yep. Little rock bass.
Too small. You get to go back and live.
Be bigger. Be better. So I can eat you next time.
Yeah. But ding! Yeah, that's when you know you got the cast of a lifetime.
Bing.
Stung. What do you win, you said?
That's so small. Use it as bait. Use it as bait. Don't let go and use it as bait. Such a bigger fish. It's half.
Oh, you got it. Oh, sorry. Oh. Where is that quick one? That perch slammer's been the key for me. Oh man, I love it. Yeah, although it sucks.
Get a nice one? Really? Holy crap. You want to show the camera?
Look at how fat that one is. Might be pregnant.
Nice.
Is that pregnant? Or is that just fat as hell?
Oh, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Here we go. And you're on the fishing pole. This one feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Probably pregnant, though. Oh, yeah, that's a little pancake. Big old fatty mama. Look at that. You get to go back. You get to go back and make us some more bluegills to catch. We're probably throwing them back and they're like, oh, they keep throwing us back. Let's just eat. Yeah, I'm probably ready, boys. To be honest.
Yeah. It's pretty much died out.
We could divvy up the fish.
Hook's
We all
gone.
take a picture.
Fish swallowed the hook.
Holy, that's a good one.
The fish swallowed the hook and the anchor.
Oh.
Probably pregnant again, though.
2 hooks gone.
I just have my drag loose so it can wear itself out, but when my drag was tight and I set the hook, it felt good.
Oh, I'm getting it.
Yeah, something swallowed my hook. It was moving, so it was a fish.
Are you tired? Tired?
Oh.
It's a male, too.
Not pregnant?
It's a male.
Save the best for last.
It's a big old hammer. What's up? Yeah, if you don't mind. Oh! Jeez, the males are angry. They defend the beds, though.
Yeah, they're always.
So it's kind of like, I feel bad either way. I don't know. It was nice fishing with you guys. We'll have to lay him out and get a picture.